and welcome to the Catalyst Awards. It is great to have your company. Thanks for making us part of your day. Now, this is where we recognise the best of TM Forum's proof of concept projects. Very pleased to welcome John Gillum, Chief Digital Officer at TM Forum, who leads the Catalyst programme. Thank you for joining us in the studio.
Nice to be here.
Tell me more about the programme. Tell me more about the Catalyst Awards.
Well, sure. You just heard a lot of it in the last session. You mentioned collaboration an awful lot. This is collaboration in action. This is 41 teams, 151 companies, 500 individuals, all actively collaborating on really great innovative ideas.
So this is stuff that the industry needs. It's different projects, different things that people are now working through in real time. It's happening now.
Absolutely. Right here, right now, and really pushing the boundaries on some of the real problems that you've heard throughout the whole of the series.
And lots of different geographies. I mean, this
all
is...
over the world.
Okay, so tell me more about the judging panel, who you've brought together for these awards to actually judge them.
So the Catalysts are progressive. This year, being navigating a digital world again, we've had lots of engagement online throughout the process, but ultimately culminating in this amazing panel of judges who have all independently, viewed and judged all of the different awards. Absolutely fantastic to get some true independent eyes on some great projects.
It's quite a job.
It's quite a job, very logistically challenging, especially not just dealing with time zones, really.
Did they all agree?
They all enjoyed the process, which was the most important thing.
Right, so that's the judging panel. What about the nominees as well? Let's welcome the nominees into the studio, into this process. There they all are. I think they have all got their cameras on. Fantastic. Looks like I can see everyone. Give us a wave.
That's
brilliant.
Faces.
There are. Well, wouldn't you be?
Absolutely.
It's like maybe this is the culmination of a lot of work going on here. Yep, there's definitely some very excited people. Looking forward to the judges' comments, I am sure as well. There's some nodding going on there. Brilliant. So they are all waiting to find out who has won. So let us turn to the first award, and this is the best use of ODF. And John, 2 winners in this category. Tell me more about the award.
So the award, you've heard it again an awful lot. The Open Digital Framework is really, it's our industry blueprint. It's what the membership are creating to collaborate to help that acceleration of digital business. So it's pretty critical. And for this particular award, we were looking for really outstanding use of those assets. Let's see them in the real world actually play out. Very, very hotly contested, hence unprecedented, but there are 2 winners.
Well, there are people just waiting to find out. Tell me about the nominees.
Right, so we have cross-industry marketplace for CSP collaboration phase 3, autonomous network hyperloops enabling Self-X digital services for SmartX verticals phase 2, 5G digital marketplace phase 2, 5G chargers, and dynamic edge-enabled applications.
They're waiting. They want to know. Let's bring in our first judge and let's welcome in Lester Thomas. Lester, it's really good to see you. So tell me about the judging criteria for this award. What were you looking for?
So we're really looking for the innovative application of this open digital framework, particularly about driving this collaboration, experimentation, and also looking for driving new revenues, which is one of the challenges we've had in our industry.
And what about the winner then? Would you like to, because you've got 2 winners in this category, would you like to announce the first winner for us?
Yeah, so like the judging panel, all 5 of the shortlisted catalysts were really strong candidates and demonstrated good use of the ODF. There were 2 that stood out as exceptional, and so the judging panel, we said we couldn't really distinguish between them. We thought it was best to award 2 awards. So in no particular order, the first of the 2 winners. So this was very innovative in demonstrating new revenues beyond connectivity, fully utilising the promise of Edge and 5G. It demonstrated really good use of ODF alongside adopting some other standards like GSMA for network slice template and ETSI for multi-access edge compute specs. The use case was a really good example of driving additional revenues and an enhanced customer experience in quite a challenging scenario. And it demonstrated a true cloud-native implementation aligned to ODA, with Edge Cloud, containerized network functions, and usage of the CNCF network service mesh. And so the first winner is 5G Digital Marketplace Phase 2.
Many congratulations. Well done.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Would you like to say a few words to your team? Oh, I think you might have yourself on mute. Oh, the first one we have.
Yes! We go. All right. Yeah, finally. Thank you, Sasha, for making all the discussions interesting and informative. 5G digital marketplace Catalyst is an example of self-X, zero-X architecture by using all the TM standards and open digital architecture framework. And credit goes to all the team members. Thank you.
Thank you. Well done. Many congratulations. Good luck with the project. And Lester, let's come back to you because, as you said, the judges couldn't split them, so we've got a second winner in this category.
Yes, so the second team had really innovative project using ODF and demonstrating a practical realization of an open modular multi-vendor solution to 5G charging. So it demonstrated the integration of a 3GPP standards for online charging with a TM form rating and product catalog. And this is very important. It's important for us to bridge across to other telco industry standards. And the realization of this is also going to be contributed back as a new open API. But not just that, it adopted a model-driven approach with the federation of the product catalog driving the online charging. And the project, more importantly, it demonstrated really transparent collaboration with frictionless integration across multiple components from multiple vendors running in the Open Digital Lab Canvas environment. So the second winner is 5G chargers.
Well done. Congratulations. Brilliant.
Congratulations, guys. Hey, hooray.
Well done.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hope that with this prize, with this award, we'll be able to promote the open digital framework and the introduction of AI module in the core commerce and the conversions between the 3GPP and TMF. Thank you very much for the partners and champion. Thank you.
Well done. Congratulations, and congratulations to all your team as well. Fantastic stuff. So let's move on now to the second award, and this is the Best Innovation Award. John, tell me more about this one.
Well, clue's in the title, but just to explain a little bit more, what we're really looking for is over-the-top innovation. You know, net new innovation is a pretty hard thing to do when it's a very innovative industry, but as we often say about standing on the shoulders of giants, lots of these projects are taking real-world implementations and doing some really, really clever stuff over the top of what's already created and being super innovative in those solutions.
So this is very much looking to the future.
Yeah, very much, and just being very creative, you know, whether it's reducing costs or, you know, driving efficiency and just finding very creative ways to do things and doing things in new and innovative ways.
Okay, tell us who the nominees are.
I will. So we have 5G Cloud and AI convergence of BOSS, scale blockchain-based data sharing, blockchain-based equity exchange alliance, telco data space, and service mesh for cloud-native business applications.
Okay, while they all wait nervously, let's bring in our judge for this particular award, Shoma Chakravarti. Hello, Shoma. Good to see you. Thank you very much for joining us. So tell us about your judging criteria for this particular award.
It's a pleasure to be here. Just like John said, looking for an innovative idea that shows the art of the possible, but also building on the theme of collaboration. That's what we were looking for. Excellent, excellent nominations. The winning catalyst showed the art of the possible as we create a data sharing model across telcos. And in this age of building privacy and trust as a foundation for customer centricity, it builds on a framework that takes a catalog-driven, policy-based data governance approach. As we looked ahead at B2B to X use cases that will rely on mobility across international boundaries, that will raise the bar on QoS and customer privacy, the approach that this winning catalyst showed has a lot of promise. It was a comprehensive approach with hooks across ecosystem solutions, and there were multiple POCs that were noted, a very clear user story example, a robust plan, a great video. So I'm pleased to announce that the winner in the Best Innovation category is Telco Data Space.
Well done. Congratulations, Telco Data Space.
Congratulations, guys.
Brilliant. Well done. Would you like to say a few words to your team?
Yeah, please. So thank you very much, Team Forum, sponsors, jury, and it's been a great pleasure. I've championed this catalyst together with Benoit from Orange and from Vodafone. It's been really an excellent opportunity to really take right now what we have in analytics, in data, and really build something as a foundation for so many use cases. So it's been an amazing journey, a lot of fun. Thanks to TM Forum, and big thank you. Quite emotional moment.
Oh, I'm really pleased to hear that. Thank you. Please pass our congratulations on to the rest of the team. It goes to show it's a big deal.
They mean a lot. Yeah, I mean it's really important. These are people who are always at the cutting edge of doing the real work. So it's brilliant to shine a light on some amazing ideas.
Absolutely, a lot of celebrations in that team and all the other teams
Absolutely.
later, I am sure. Moves us on to our third award, and this award is for the best ecosystem design. Fairly self-explanatory, this one, John?
Well, again, another phrase you will have heard a lot. You heard a lot about B2B2X, a lot of the use of the term ecosystem. So what does that actually mean in reality? So part of the Catalyst projects, and in fact, many of the ones that you've seen here have had used an ecosystem of partners in order to deliver the solution. So this award actually shows that design in process and awards that. So yeah.
Okay, talk us through the nominees then. Who have you gone for?
So yeah, intent-driven autonomous networks for smart mobility, telco data space, 5G chargers, and 5G accelerating smart aviation phase 4, and supercharged 5G monetization with a B2B2X marketplace.
Fantastic. And our nominees are waiting there with their cameras on. Yep, very nervously, seeing whether they're going to be lucky on this one. Let's bring in our judge for this category, Kevin McCaffrey. Kevin, it's good to see you. Tell us more about the judging criteria. What were you looking for?
Yeah, thank you, Sasha and John. A pleasure to be here. So we were looking at criteria across 5 different aspects of the clarity of the ecosystem design and the business model purpose, the use of CurateFX components, looking at how they mapped stakeholders and the actual description of the ecosystem. We wanted to see a level of innovation there, and important, the use of TM Forum components. So there were myself and 3 other judges, and we actually started with about 17 projects, brought it down to 5, 3, and then all the way down to 1.
Gosh, that was quite a whittling down process, I imagine. So tell us then, from those 17 down to 1, who is the one?
The one, yeah. Well, the winning project was really an excellent use case to showcase how an ecosystem marketplace model can be used to grow revenues. And the focus that they had on the marketplace was really highly commendable, and really did highlight the business model and growth potential for bridging devices with embedded connectivity. So the judges were also really impressed with the excellent use of TM Forum assets, such as the marketplace mapping of their marketplace capabilities to ODA, and the use of zero-touch partnering business capabilities. So really an excellent project. And the winner is supercharged 5G monetization with a B2B2X marketplace.
Well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
Great stuff. Well done. And a smile there. What would you like to say to your team?
Thank you. Thank you, TM Forum, for this acknowledgement. And on behalf of our entire team, over 40 members across 8 time zones, I can say that we're extremely proud of our work. And a very special thank you to our champions, both M1 and Verizon, for their expertise and guidance.
Thank you. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Actually, that just goes to show that the breadth and the spread of these awards as well. It's 8 different time zones and 40 members.
Yeah, which is difficult in a physical world. But yeah, you're trying to work a project with that many time zones. It's challenging for the teams. They've had a really rough ride for 2 years.
Yeah, indeed. I'm sure
and
they
will
will
still do amazing things.
Yeah, they will be celebrating later, I am sure. That brings us on to our next award, award number 4. This is the Sustainability Award. And we have 3 winners in this category. So tell me more about that one, John.
Well, as no surprise, sustainability is a big issue for us all at a personal level and a planetary level. The telco industry has a huge role to play in supporting that. So part of the theme throughout the whole of the Catalyst, and it's actually features in some of the other awards, is how we can see intent towards the UN sustainability goals. But so important, we also created a specific category, and the 3 awards represent the impact, leadership and innovation elements of those sustainability goals.
Do you want to run us through the nominees then?
I will. So there's 6 in this category because there was the extra awards. It's Digital Business Marketplace, Smart Mining, Open Digital Twin Framework for Smart City Ecosystem, Smart IDC, Intelligent Energy Saving for Data Centers, connected digital twins for IoT, intent-driven autonomous networks for smart mobility, and measurements of trust in an AI environment.
Okay, let's see who has won this one. Bring in our judge for this award, Carlos Vargas. Hello, Carlos. Good to see you. Do you want to talk us through what you were looking for when you were judging, first of all, the first winner of this award? Oh, Carlos, I think you might have yourself on mute. That slightly shocked look on his face. Try again.
Is it
We can now hear
working
you.
now?
Yes, fantastic.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Sasha and John. Yes, we were very lucky to have 3 different subcategories for sustainability, impact, innovation, and leadership. All of the projects that we were lucky enough to review were amazing. They were actually making real change, and we were very happy to find interesting candidates for these very awards. So the first award is Sustainability Impact. The winning catalyst addresses the challenges and increased energy consumption and bad energy efficiency of data centers in China, and we believe that it's a great potential for replication in other markets all over the world. They provided good evidence of how they link their work to 4 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and with positive returns expected within 1 year and with economic benefits and reduction of CO2 emissions and water preservation. It's just a win-win situation. The winning team even provided some metrics to show annual environmental benefits in comparison to equivalent of planting trees. And for example, they could see carbon savings in 2020 equivalent to millions of trees. The winner is Smart IDC, Intelligent Energy Saving for Data Centers.
Well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
Well done. What would you like to say to your team?
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
We can hear you. Yes, and well done.
Yeah, it's my great honor to accept this award on behalf of our team. Thanks for TM Forum and thanks for our team members, China Telecom, China Unicom, China Mobile, Huawei, Guochuang, SE Infra, and Inspur. In the future, we will continue this honor and deploy our solution to the wider global market. Okay, thanks for your listening and thanks for your support. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. Well done. And celebrations later with the team, I am sure. Yeah. Now, Carlos, that's just the first winner. Let's move on now to the second winner in this category.
Yes, of course. The next award is Sustainability Innovation. The winning catalyst demonstrated multiple use cases to link their project to 5 SDG targets, and they were also aiming for different areas of application, including health, sports, chemical hazard management, extreme weather, resilience, smart communities management, etc. The use cases are at different maturity levels, but considering telemedicine use case during COVID-19, this project provided high impact capabilities that are applicable worldwide. They use digital twins, which is an innovative technology that uses virtual representations of physical objects or processes. And in particular, the fact that this project addressed SDG number 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, offered interesting potential for implementation. For this award, the winner is Open Digital Twin Frameworks for Smart City Ecosystems. Congratulations.
Well done, congratulations. Well done. Would you like to say a few words to your team?
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank for all the hard work from the judge and the TM Forum staff. As a project leader, I'm honored to receive this Catalyst Award. And we believe this Open Digital Twin framework will empower the CSP beyond the connectivities and to match into the smart city ecosystem and take the leadership role to run the smart city as a city operator for the sustainable development goal. Finally, I would like to give my sincere thanks to our Catalyst team members for all the tremendous effort to win this award. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well done to the entire team. And I heard you just go, oh, as they won as well.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Brilliant. I mean, it's, again, just a lot of amazing projects in all here, so it's really good.
Well, there's one more to go in this particular award category. Carlos, would you like to tell us about the third winner?
Yes, of course. Well, the next winner is in the category of sustainability leadership. Also very relevant to all of the discussion we've been hearing today. It could not be a better moment to talk about this. The winning catalyst aims to build a system of trust within the AI environment which adheres to the ethics and governance policies of organizations. This will aim to ensure safety, technical robustness, transparency, non-discriminative nature, mitigation of bias, and accountability for AI systems. This project is directly addressing SDGs number 5 and 11 to specifically promote gender equality and reduce inequalities. So it is clearly a game changer, as nowadays we are more and more dependent on AI for decision making. All of this while understanding that AI is only as good at solving our problems as we design it to be. And it does replicate our own basic biases and contradictions. We also see a lot of potential of replicability, scalability, and momentum in this project. The winner for this category, sustainable leadership, is measurements of trust in AI environment. Congratulations.
Congratulations, well done. Great stuff.
Paul, congratulations.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Sasha. As you see, I can wear my sustainability badge, and I'm not going to start playing the guitar. This has been a tremendous journey from inception to this delivery, and the team has worked tirelessly on this. We're very, very pleased and happy to accept this award, and thank you for the TM Forum for putting this category of awards in place. It's been a tremendous honour, and we look forward to taking it forward to the next level in the next iteration. So thank you very much.
Well done. Congratulations. And congratulations to the whole team as well. Do you think he plays those guitars?
Apparently.
Apparently. It's the guitars in the backdrop, isn't it? Let's move on now to award number 5. And this award is the Visionary Impact Award. Would you like to explain this one for us?
This is about operational value. Fundamentally, it's like, where's the real potential? You know, if we've got something singly out there that you can see this project's going to really, make a big difference of. So yeah, important award. And yeah, would you like to hear the nominations?
Yes, please.
Cool. Well, so the nominations are Scale Blockchain-Based Data Sharing, Cross-Industry Marketplace for CSP Collaboration Phase 3, Telco Data Space, Service Mesh for Cloud-Native Business Applications, and Dynamic Edge-enabled applications.
So the nominees are waiting. Do you want to tell me something about the judging criteria of this one?
I can tell you a little bit about this. So apart from the compelling business solutions, really it's operational value. So what we're looking for here, and this is it's a really good, clear category of an award, is we would see this as a nurtured project going from a startup phase to something you would see. You heard Nick talk about that a little bit, to the commercial realization or real fulfillment into a production environment.
So that's what you were looking for.
Absolutely.
Do you want to tell us who the winner is? Well, first of all, why you've picked them and who they are?
Well, yeah, so the head judge here, Jeff Parker, he sadly couldn't make it today. He's actually teaching a load of master's students on platform economics.
So future visionaries.
Absolutely, and he's absolutely promised to give some direct feedbacks and some quotes. But I can tell you, talking to Jeff, this was a really, really tough choice, and he couldn't extol enough the expert input needed by all of the judges to help really judge this particular category. But the winning catalyst develops an architecture framework using the TM Forum standards to enable a collaborative marketplace for CSPs. So the winner is Cross-Industry Marketplace for CSP Collaboration Phase 3.
Brilliant, well done, congratulations. Fantastic.
Congratulations.
Well done. What would you like to say to the rest of your team?
First of all, thank you very much, TM Forum, for giving this opportunity. This is our phase 3 of the catalyst, and it's a very tiring and long effort of until this moment. There are around 8 participants and 3 champions worked tirelessly to get this catalyst up to this level, and we are quite happy and pleased about winning this award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, well done. And actually, do you know what, making the point there, this all might be very glossy to get the award at the end, but these projects are hard work and they don't just happen overnight.
They really don't. I mean, it's no exaggeration there. The teams work huge hours to get these projects in there, often above and beyond their day jobs. As I said, it's real people, real innovation, real collaboration, and it happens, and it's quite a big scale.
Let's move on to the next award now, award number 6, the Best Implementation Award. So tell me about this one.
Right, so the next 2 awards actually form part of our maturity levels that we put in this year. So these are, the bar's higher for these. But we are looking for the next level. So great to see innovation, visionary impact, for example, something that shows strong potential, best innovation. Again, what we're here with this one, it's a lead on from the Best Innovation Award. So what we want to see is that innovation in action.
So this is real happening right now.
Criteria were proof of concept had to be there, buyers fully engaged or champions. So, real demonstrable capabilities.
Okay, well, let's bring in our judge for this one. Welcome back, Shoma Chakravarti. Oh, I'm sorry, actually, we haven't heard the nominees, have we? Sorry, Shoma, hang on for a sec for me. Tell me the nominees.
Oh, you can tell me the nominees. So, Open Digital Twin Framework for Smart City Ecosystem, leveraging AI ML to drive CX business outcomes proactively, connected digital twins for IoT, trusted data sharing for financial industry, and intelligent operations for lease line services.
Okay, they are all waiting. They're waiting to find out. We can now bring in Shoma Chakravarti. Apologies, Shoma. Right, tell me about the criteria for this award.
Hi again. The criteria was, as John said, we were looking at looking up the maturity curve for innovative solutions. So we looked at the number of proof points, an effective implementation, POCs, engagement from all the members of the catalyst, and sustainability of the innovation.
So would you like to tell us the winner then, Shoma? Who did you pick?
Among a number of outstanding nominations, we chose the winning catalyst that completed their implementation of the innovative solution in 3 service providers across the world, with impactful results on churn, on NPS, on customer satisfaction, ARPU, and lifetime value. This catalyst took a long-term approach, a long-term life cycle view, providing insights through acquisition and marketing, customer service and growth, and towards building loyalty. The different use cases did a compelling job of showcasing the value of a customer experience indicator and an architecture that supports the use of this customer experience indicator to provide proactive insight. They also provided a comprehensive set of measures and proof points with linkages to business outcomes. So the winner that we picked is leveraging AI/ML to drive CX business outcomes proactively.
Congratulations. Well done. Many congratulations. That's a very proud smile there. What would you like to say to your team?
First of all, thank you very much for the efforts and the sessions. It's very, very grateful for that. I really want to appreciate the efforts, support for Champion, STC, contribution of companies from continents like Telecom Argentina, China Unicom, HKT, and then of course, Huawei contribution here. It's great efforts. We're really looking for how we can leverage the AI and the machine learning towards the future. So looking forward for more implementation of this and hopefully for the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well done. Pass our congratulations on to the rest of the team. Now we turn to our final award, award number 7. This one for the industry influencer. Tell me more about this one then.
So this is another
one of the
build
two?
on. Yeah. So building on from visionary impact, the next level of that is, okay, we would expect to see potential turn into actual action. So we're looking for the teams to actually really show demonstrable change and the ability to really game change the industry. So yeah, quite a big award. Yeah, the bar gets higher, but yeah, some fantastic teams again.
Talk me through the nominees.
Nominees are Open Digital Twin Framework for Smart City Ecosystem, leveraging AI and ML to drive CX business business outcomes proactively, trusted data sharing for financial industry, intelligent operations for lease sign services, and one-stop 5G business-to-business services.
Now, you've said the bar was really high in this award, so talk us through the criteria.
So again, this was head judge Professor Jeff Parker and the team. So again, you heard from Shoma, many of these 2 awards also included sustainability in there. So not only have you got to do cool stuff in tech, but you've got to show the right intentions there. So you've got sustainability in there, you've got the actual proof points, you've got POCs implemented in real world scenarios, and evidence that says this is moving forward, and is fundamentally creating some change. And probably one of the best quotes, I think, is like one of the judges commented, this is a game changer for public sector digital transformations with the potential for global adoption.
Well, you don't get much better than that, really, do you?
It's kind of fairly significant, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, they are all waiting to find out who
I can
has
announce the winner is Open Digital Twin Framework for Smart City Ecosystem.
Well done, congratulations. Fantastic. Well done again. Great stuff. You must be very pleased with this award.
It's really a surprise, double surprise, double pleasure tonight.
It's well deserved.
Thank you very much. I am speechless. Thank you for all the hard work from TM Forum. Yeah.
Many congratulations.
Continue our journey to promote the smart city, to make sure the CSP can transform during their digital transformation, can transform to the smart city operator. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well done. Congratulations with how the project progresses as well. John, amazing awards, amazing winners. When you sort of cast your mind back to all the projects that you've looked at, all the catalysts, all the winners and the nominees that we've just heard, you must feel very confident about the industry.
Yeah, and the energy is the most amazing thing, really. It's unusual to get 550 people working across 40 projects. Yeah. More importantly, collaborating. These are organisations. It's not from one company. These are different organisations coming together, bringing their skills, bringing their expertise to drive it forward. So yeah, that's something to be proud about. It's a privilege to be involved with it.
Let's bring in Nick Willits to get your views on this one. There's some great projects.
Absolutely, and first of all, congratulations to all the winners. I mean, a really remarkable set there, and if the amount of blood, sweat and tears that went on the judging process is anything to go by, you can tell how seriously that's been taken. But as John was saying there, kudos to all the teams, particularly doing this when these teams have, in most cases, never met in person. I think is just a remarkable achievement to drive that collaboration. It gives us faith that it can happen. I think seeing the reactions of the winners is great to see. So big congratulations and thanks to all the companies, and I hope that those who are watching will also be inspired by those projects.
Well, actually, if you are inspired and you want to know more about them, you can see all the catalysts on the platform. If you click catalysts, you can get into the 40+ projects that we've been talking about. Click catalysts on the top navigation bar on the platform, and you can go and see exactly what it is that everyone has been talking about. And actually, all the content is still available until the 29th of October. So everything that you've seen over the last 4 weeks, or maybe if you've now heard some little snippets and think you want to go back and revisit and watch full interviews and all the content again, it is there for you on the platform. Just leaves me to say a huge thank you to everyone who has taken part in the awards, and also the last 4 weeks as well. So many people in front of the camera, the speakers and all the contributors, but actually a huge team behind the camera as well, and that's everyone who's been involved in making the content and then making the content into the event that you have seen over the last 4 weeks. I'm sure you will agree, some really interesting and great stuff.
Absolutely,
as well.
and big thanks to you, Sasha, being the face of the event once again, and really bringing it all together.
Well, it's very lovely of you to say. Thank you. I just try and bring everyone together and point everyone towards all the content that the industry is so focused on at the moment. So go and see what you can find on the platform right now. Just leaves me to say, from all of us, thanks for watching.